Hello everyone, this is Wade Banning, your Purple Wave Central Iowa Territory Sales Manager, and I'm at Trenchless Solutions, Iowa to talk about their equipment that we're selling in our November 6th construction auction. There will be an open house the week prior on October 29th from 9 to 3 for an open inspection. So put that in your calendar and come up and see us. So now, let's go look at some of the equipment. Okay, the first item I want to talk about is DZ6730. It is a 2016 Ram 4500 dump truck. It's got an 11'6" nappied dump box on it. Pintle hitch. It's got a 6.4 liter gas engine in it with 88,475 miles. Next one right here is item DZ6732, and it's a 2023 Ram 5500 crew cab utility truck. Has 33,523 miles on it. The utility box is a nappied 11'8" with an 80-gallon auxiliary fuel tank and pump. And it's hooked up to item number EA2605. It's a 2015 Witch JT20 on a lane trailer. The drill has 3,100 hours on it. It has an FM13 mixing system, 300-gallon spoils tank. The next item is EA2604, and it's a Witch JT9, and it has 1,770 hours on it. It's sitting on a lane trailer also, and it has an FM5 mix system with a 300-gallon spoils tank. And it's hooked up to item number DZ6731. It's a 2016 Ford F550 crew cab utility truck. It has 156,000 miles on it. It's got the 6.7 liter diesel engine in it. It has been deleted. It's got the 9-foot nappied utility box. It's got an auxiliary fuel tank also and pump. And then over here, we have item EA2606, and it's a 2015 Case CX36B Mini X with 2,650 hours on it. All these items have been maintained here at their shop or at the dealer. Very clean items. And don't forget, open house, October 29th, 9 to 3. Come on up and take a look for yourself on this equipment. Thank you. We'll hope to see you there.